Hey everyone, welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today's video is kind of a cold, flu, immune system edition because I'm getting over the flu, which has not been fun, but I'm also going to share with you at the end of the video the supplements that I'm currently taking as well. But let's jump right in. So I'm starting off my morning with some green tea, one of my favorite types of herbal teas, and of course some water as well, which I've been really liking with some lemon or lime juice because it feels really nice on the throat and my stomach as well, which has been a little off since getting sick. For breakfast today, I am making some oats. I don't eat a lot of oats, but I was craving some oatmeal this week and I got a huge bag of organic oats for a really good price. So that's what we're having this morning. There's something very comforting about a warm bowl of porridge. I grew up eating porridge. I like making my oatmeal with almond milk, some mashed banana, some nut butter, some hemp seeds, and a little bit of sea salt on there is really good too. So my appetite has been a bit weird this week. So on this particular day, I really wasn't feeling a big lunch. So this gala apple for a snack was absolutely the perfect thing though. It was so crisp and so fresh and it just felt really good kind of on my stomach. So later on in the day here, I'm finally ready for a bit of a late lunch, an early dinner, and I'm just whipping together a rainbow salad made with spinach and kale, shredded beets, some carrots, sunflower seeds, and some dried cranberries, and some leftover Italian sausage that we had the night before that I've heated up and kind of chopped up. I've also made a really yummy lemon tahini dressing to go on top, which was just delicious. Earlier this week, Sean picked up a couple of containers of soup for me when I was like really sick, so I'm just keeping things simple tonight and making one of those tonight. This is an organic butternut squash soup, and I'm also heating up some leftover Thai food that we had in the fridge as well. I'm also just mixing up some vitamin C here, which again, I'm going to talk about the supplements that I'm taking in a moment. And of course, chocolate has to happen. I made these double chocolate paleo muffins that I made with almond flour and cacao. I'll share the recipe soon. So I had a couple of those left in the fridge. And that is pretty much it for today's meals. Hello everyone, I just wanted to interject here in this video to share with you the supplements that I am taking right now, specifically for immune function. Maybe I can share more information on other types of supplements in a different video if you're wondering, kind of like basic ones that I might recommend, but today I'm just going to talk about some ones for cold and flu. and the ones I'm taking at the moment. The first supplement that I am taking is a probiotic. So this one here is by Genestra. It's their HMF Forte. Probiotics are very, very good for supporting and helping to modulate the immune system, educate the immune system, boost the immune system a little bit. But I also will take probiotics on a more of a regular basis, like not just for cold and flu. I took one this morning with my breakfast, but sometimes I will open up the capsule and add it to a smoothie. Other times I'll take it before bed. And right now I'm taking like 2 a day. So 1 or 2 a day. The next one that I'm taking is vitamin D. Vitamin D is extremely important for our immune system. Actually has a number of other functions in the body. Really good for bone health, really good for mental health. This is vitamin D3. This one here is by Natural Factors, and it's the D3 form. So if you're looking for vitamin D, you do want to go for D3 over D2. There are actually 2 different kinds that you can get in supplement form. D3 is better absorbed. Vitamin D3 or vitamin D is also a fat-soluble vitamin. So it's best if you take it encapsulated in an oil, like in a soft gel, or in liquid such as this. I'm doing about 5,000 international units a day, or just like when I remember to do it. But especially the fall and winter here in Canada, of course, we get less sunshine in the fall and winter. And of course, because I've been sick. The next one that I have here is vitamin C. Vitamin C is not something that I will take on a regular basis by any means, but it's something that I like to have on hand because it's very antibacterial, it's very antiviral, it's a potent antioxidant. Did I say it's anti-inflammatory? Because it's anti-inflammatory. It has a lot of anti properties to it. It's like anti-everything, I like to call it. This one here is also by Natural Factors, and it's the vitamin C crystals. It's ascorbic acid, and 1/4 teaspoon, you get 1,000 milligrams. Right now I'm doing maybe 2,000 milligrams a day, 1 to 2,000 milligrams a day. I mix it into water and I just drink it, sip on it. Okay, and the last one that I want to talk about is lysine, L-lysine, 500 milligrams. So cold sores are probably the worst things that could ever exist in the world ever. And I was like, oh my gosh, am I getting a cold sore? So I do get cold sores. I get them maybe once every 1.5 years. I've had them my whole life. I hate getting cold sores. It's probably like my biggest fear too. Like if ever I'm like, am I getting a cold sore? With specific doses, it can help to kind of slow down the replication of the virus and help sort of prophylactically the recurrence of cold sores, that kind of thing. Also combined with vitamin C, very, very, very good for cold sores. So this is 500 milligrams. I will do probably about 3,000 milligrams a day. So that's it. I just wanted to kind of pop in here in the video and just share with you what the supplements are that I'm taking. I hope that you found this video helpful for some healthy meal ideas and you learned a thing or two about the supplements that I am taking. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.